get some XOXO to some ice for we.
Alright guys, so we are about to apply this wig. I am going to hopefully, prayerfully get this on right. Y'all see my new plant in the background? But yeah, so I literally have twisted my head, and I just went ahead and put the stocking cap on earlier because I knew I was going to be doing this. So here's our girl. This is a Unice wig. Let me back up. It's a Unice wig. It is a 13 by 4 inch frontal. This wig actually came, I don't know if y'all can really see them, but it actually came with like some baby hairs already cut. We're not sure if we're gonna use them though. Like, they there, but we don't know if we're going to use them. But it's a reddish brown. And then let me show y'all the inside of it. So this is what the lace is looking like right now. And y'all, I'm not bleaching no knots today. I'm just not gonna do it. So it does have combs in it there in the back, and then it has that little lace piece in the back that I'm gonna cut out. It does have the bands where you can make it tighter on both sides. And y'all, let me tell y'all why I really like this wig, because this came as a shocker to your girl. So it came with a band, y'all. So like, it's basically a glueless wig, or it can be a glueless wig because it has this elastic band. Now this band isn't sewn in, so I guess in case you don't want it to be glueless. All right, y'all was a little far away, but in case you don't want it to be glueless, that I figure that's why it's not actually like glued in. But y'all, it has a band on it, so like I don't have to glue this down if I don't want to, but I'm going to. So yeah, that's what that band looks like on the inside. It is adjustable, which I think is really neat. And yeah, that's all I got to say about the wig. And it actually looks like they did bleach the knots. They just, cause it's a little orange. It's like they tried. But this is 24. And y'all, I had her all she was all brushed out, all nice, fresh out the pack. And my granny came in here running her hands through it, and now it look a little off. Alright, so like I said, the wig, I want to say I got a 26-inch wig. That's the only thing I hate about ordering from them, because once you get it, it don't really tell you what size and stuff you got. Like, that just disappears. But it does come in this box. And once you open the box, the wig came in a separate like clear plastic bag, and then it was covered with a net. And then I got this bag full of goodies. I already done took the lashes out of the arm, y'all. So I done had this for a little minute. So we, you know. So I don't know what's in this little baggie because I didn't open it. So you get all of this little stuff. I feel like a scarf or something. It might be what it is. It's a little bonnet. So I got a bonnet this time. I've never gotten a bonnet before. I got the Unice lace melting band. And then I'm assuming they sent me this brush to use to put the foundation into the That's a nice brush. Put it inside the lace. So we are going to do that today because, like I said, I'm not tinting no lace. I'm not doing it. But first we got to get this tacked down. So like I said, I have twists under here. So these are just 2-strand twists that I put in my hair because I was not getting my hair braided again. This little thing kind of long. Okay. Alrighty then. And so let me cut my little holes. I should have grabbed my mirror because I'm using y'all as a mirror and it's a bad idea. Alright, so I got my mirror and I'm actually going to use it. I'm going to cut a little hole here. Get this around my ear there. Cut a little hole there. And my ears are small, y'all, so my little holes don't be that big because my ears are so small. And I kind of want to move my table. Oh, there we go. I'm gonna zoom y'all in. Period. Okay, so I do kind of want to cut this a little more. Okay, so it's not like I'm bending my ear. Yeah, there we go. Baby, the way it's on my, look at me. Do y'all see how this is laying on my eyes? I look strange. Okay. Now I need, yeah, I just got this handleless blow dryer by Kiss. Baby, this thing right here is the bomb.com. Like, it makes blow drying hair so easy on my clients. Like, I do not struggle at all when I use this. But that ain't what we here for. But I just had to say that because it made my life so much easier. Okay, so I'm going to use the Even Wonder Lace Bun adhesive spray to tack down my ball cap. Yeah. Ooh, it's cold. Ooh. I always feel like right there, it does not like be tacked down enough. I don't know why, but right there, right by my ear, I feel like it don't. That'd be part of my issue. Yeah, I'm like low-key real nervous because I don't want to mess this wig up. So let me blow dry. Alright, so that feels like it's on there good. So now we're gonna cut it off. Oof. It'd be the relief of cutting it off. Cause baby, when I tell you that was pushing down on my eyes, like really pushing down on them, that did not feel good. And the leftovers, I'm just gonna tuck them up under here some kind of way. Now I need to see where this lace actually is going to fall on me, so I can see if I need to cut any more of it off. And the other thing I need to do is make sure this is straight, because y'all remember that was the issue we had the last time. I ain't put it on straight, so yeah, like a good bit of that still needs to come off. Oh man, okay. Let's see. Like it needs to come back. Like right in front of my hairline. Alright, so now I'm going to put foundation on my cap, which, child, this cap looks crazy now. Like, it's not even capping anymore, and this is why I don't do all of this, because what is this at this point? Alright, so I already put this foundation on the actual cap, and now I'm just adding it to the lace to blend that out, make it match my skin tone, because I don't know what this is, but now it blends a lot better. So next thing to do, yeah, I'm really like freaking out because I don't want to mess this wig up. I really don't want to mess this wig up, and I don't want to have to pay nobody to do it, so we're gonna figure it out. So now the next step that I've seen in the videos is to clean around the perimeter of this ball cap. Yeah, I'm telling y'all, this wig probably ain't. We're gonna see. I've successfully put a wig on once. So I'm just gonna clean around here. Try not to get it on the actual cap because I can't believe I cut that like that. Like, that's really bothering me. Alright, so that is done. I just want to clean off this top. I am using the Trina the Dream Weaver Super Sensitive Bond. And I'm also using the Super Bond. So we're gonna start with the Super Sensitive Bond, and I seen one girl say do it like an inch, so it'll be like she does her first layer on the freaking cap. Yeah. So it'll be like between the cap and my forehead. I'm bring that down here because I don't know what I did. Okay. And then we're gonna smooth this out with a popsicle stick. And I have these little ones because I do brows. And everybody said you want it to be like an inch. So that's like an inch. And you want it to be smooth too. Like, you don't want it to have any lumps in it or anything. And then I'm let this dry. I think I'm gonna speed up the process and dry it myself. Okay, so now I'm gonna do one more layer of that, and then we're gonna do the other glue. And her glues are waterproof glues, so, and you're not supposed to get them wet like the first 24 hours. So basically telling you, let it set, like how I be telling these people to let their lashes set after the first 24 hours. But honestly, with them lashes, you really don't have to wait. Alright, so that layer has dried. Now with this one is kind of tricky because you kind of have to, like, what I'm doing now, swirl it, because if not, it be everywhere. And yeah. Like, it is like real stringy and tacky, but when I tell you this stuff will have your hair in place, it's gonna have you in place. All these other glues give me issues. I'll be breaking out, and I don't have all that go on when I use this, so we're gonna continue to use it. And yeah, so this glue, it smells like, I don't know how old y'all are, but y'all remember the little balloon things? Like, it was latex or something, and like you put the little rubber latex piece at the end of this like straw thing, and you blew it and it made these like balloon type things. I don't know, you might have to have been born in the 80s and 90s to know what I'm talking about. Early 90s at that. Anyway, that's what it smells like. So if y'all get my reference, yeah, y'all know what I'm talking about. Cause when I opened it, I was like, oh my gosh, it smells like that stuff that I used to play when I was little. Anyway, so we gotta let this get a little tacky. And once it get tacky, we're gonna, attempt to put this hair on. I'm like, y'all don't even understand how nervous I am. And I'm about to wig. And first, I'm gonna go ahead and cut off this lace in the back because I don't need that. Alright, that's cut off. And I don't know if I want this band on here because it keeps popping off. Like, once I put this on my head, like, it doesn't stay. And I don't know if it's how I'm putting it on my head or what, but it's not. And it's hooked right too. So let me see. Get this. I'm scared I'm gonna get the glue everywhere. That's part of the problem. See, and that just falls right out. Alright, y'all, so I got it on and it don't look bad. I do feel like I got too much glue on because it's like the glue is slipping through, but it could be a little tighter, y'all. So what I'm gonna do first is cut out these earpieces around my ear. Because those don't need to be there. And now I'm gonna put this band on, and we're gonna start flat ironing this, or I'm gonna use my hot comb. I'm not gonna flat iron, and I'm gonna use their band that they gave me because I know I ain't ordered this. And get it tacked down. That's another thing. I don't get how these girls be doing. But y'all, look like we got it on now. I've also been seeing like them cut it into flaps. So I'm gonna do that too, because they said it makes it easier when you try to take it off. So while that is drying under there, let's get the hot comb and like, so my hot comb, let me zoom out some now so I see the top of my head. This hot comb that I have is by Hot and Hotter, and I got this from, did I get this one from the hair store? I think so, but it's a plug-in hot comb, so you know, so we don't burn nothing up around here. And then my wax stick I got from the hair store too. It is by Boost, the Boost Edge people. Yeah, they got a little stick now too, so I got that too. And it actually worked very well in my hair the other day, so when I did this the first time. Yeah, I hope this melt my lace down like I want it to, because my birthday is in 4 hours, so you know, I would like to look a specific way for my day, you know, even though I'm not doing nothing. Y'all, my daddy literally called me and was like, yeah, so what you got, your birthday tomorrow, what you got planned? And I'm like, nothing. Everybody keep asking me that, what you got planned, your birthday tomorrow? And I'm just like, I have nothing planned. Like, shoot, my books are even open. Like, if people want to book on my books for tomorrow, they could, because I don't have nothing planned for my birthday. I don't know what's all in my hot comb. I cleaned it. I wonder if that's from it being in that bag. Y'all know what? I lied. My little stick is by Even. It's by these same people. So they have a little stick too. And this is the extra firm hold. How do I get it out? Okay, so now I need to, I'm gonna part this one down the middle. I think that's how I want to wear it. I think. Middle part, maybe. I don't know, because every time I do a middle part like this, and y'all, I also realized what I did last time. When I did this, I should have went through, and so like I did that part, so then I should have went here and did another layer, and I didn't. So that it's flat all the way through, and that's where I messed up. Because I felt like that that black wig, first of all, it was black, so that was part of the issue, is that it was a black wig. And luckily this wig is straight, so I can go through it with the flat iron a little more, because it's a it's not, it's not a curly wig. It is body wave though, so it does have a little wave to it. And like if I was to wet it, it would have that wave to it. Then I think I'm gonna go back the other way too, even though I think this is how I usually wear my hair. I think this is the way, but because because this side is not flat. It's not laying how it should. And like I told y'all, my grandma kept running her fingers through this hair, and like it didn't mess it up, but I hadn't done anything to it, so it didn't like lay down. That makes a huge difference in the volume in the hair. I don't know what side I'm gonna wear this on. I'm not the biggest fan of middle parts on me, even though that's how my hair naturally falls. Do I like this eye covered? Look, I'm trying to figure it out. Which eye do I like covered? That'll be another, like, how I'm gonna do this. That'll give us. And then I was thinking, I was like, oh, I can give like a Jessica Rabbit type look. And like, that would be cute. I mean, I do have an outfit, y'all, for my birthday. I have an outfit with nowhere to go, honestly. That's where we are right now. Is there's an outfit and I don't have nowhere to wear said outfit. I actually think I like where this parting is, and I think what I want to do is give this a little more volume. I was so happy when my teacher showed us how to use these hot combs. Like, that, in my opinion, was the best day ever. Cause this was my Easter Sunday. Dude, like my mama had us had me at my auntie house, get my hair pressed and curled for Easter, and so that's what I'm like accustomed to. It's Easter Sunday. So I don't know if this is ready yet, and I'm kind of scared to check it. Though I do need to get the rest of this this, what it's called, the rest of this lace. Let me turn this off because it's doing things. But yeah, I need to get the rest of this lace off. Just very nervous. I know y'all tired of hearing me say that, but I'm nervous. I think if I wasn't like gluing it down, I probably would feel less nerve-wracked about it. But I glued it down. Alright, I feel like it's been long enough, y'all. I'm just like sitting here and I'm ready to take this off so I can cut off the rest of this. It's still like, that means I put too much glue because of how it's stuck. Oh God. And I don't even know how to like, how I'm gonna clean that. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna clean that. But yeah, I'm about to cut the rest of this off now. I'm also trying to keep the hair out of the too. So make sure you pull it back. Hopefully that did it. Cause baby, all this blue stuff is a bit much. So we gonna line that. Line that down. Like a little list. And yeah, this is my video, but like y'all see how yeah, I did that, y'all. Okay, I feel accomplished with how my hair looks. So I'm probably gonna curl it and stuff tomorrow to get some pictures and whatnot. But I'm about to make me a charcuterie board and chill out in the house. So I'm not gonna put a face or anything on because this is it for the video. I ain't doing nothing else. But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching.
Step out, get some in now, let your edge out, to some ice.